Hey, this is Chad Wehrs, Wehrs Machine and Racing Products. Welcome to Inside the Brand. This is a look at a product from start to finish, from the driver's idea, to the concept room, to the racetrack to test it, to the shelf, to your doorstep. How a product is made and created from start to finish. We hope you enjoy this look at Inside the Brand, and thanks for watching. Hey, you just gotta post the Beastie Boys.
This was just a video. Is that you?
Yeah. Pretend like Justin's not here.
Oh.
You're a YouTuber, so you know what this is all about. Like, pretend the camera's not here and just do normal things. Even though you want to did your hair. I won't criticize you about that, but I called it. So, Brandon Davis texted me an idea about an umbrella type situation, or a cone to go over the head of the bolt on the J-bar, which is a common problem. It's been a problem forever, right? Like keeping the dirt out of this common bearing. It always gets packed, and that's what wears the common bearing out. But if we make a little, not a snap-on plastic like this, but if we machine a billet cap that goes over that hex, and then we set screw it on, and then that would keep the dirt out of there.
Were you thinking about doing it like roughly that same shape or like design?
No, I don't think it needs to be a dome. I think more of a cone. It's obviously got to stay a long ways away so you keep the articulation and get outside of it enough to shield it enough so it doesn't get right back in there. You know, that's the other question, is will it just pack in there behind it? But I think if you make it big enough,
yeah,
most of it will deflect away from it.
Well, what do you think about doing another hex head but on the outside, so then you'll set screw it on, but yet you can still put a wrench on it to make it adjustable, so you don't have to pop it on and off every time you want to do a J-bar change?
Yes, that would be ideal, because having to take the set screw off and adjust that's going to be a pain in the butt, right? So you're going to have to affix it with a set screw or something, right? On a standard bolt, or we just machine the bolt ourselves.
So yeah, so then
maybe we should just machine our own bolt with a flare on it, kind of like the clamber gear. Have the flare hex. Maybe we should try and make our own bolt instead of an umbrella.
That's not a bad idea either. Let's say if someone broke one at a, they can't just run to a local hardware store and buy the bolt, but I guess you still could just
well, I mean, you could put it together with your spare.
Yeah,
but ideally, we would make the bolt strong enough and not break it.
Yeah, but things happen.
Yes, it's full contact sports sometimes. All right, well, let's take this to the design room and go to the next step. Draw it up. It'd be a pretty sweet bolt.
Actually,
what
do you think if we got rid of all this and that and just made this into a spacer? Yeah, we would have to make the bolt longer, because from here to the other end is the same length as the current bolt with the spacer. So we would just have to make the bolt longer.
Dude, that's the cheapest way for them to convert, right? I mean,
yeah, you just took a bolt into a spacer, but they would have to.
Then every J-bar that goes out is incorporated with the mud deflector.
The mud deflector.
J-bar umbrella, whatever we're calling this thing.
Yeah, because then we can put that into the bolt kit, and every J-bar bolt kit comes with it.
If somebody wants to buy one for their existing kit, they get a
They'd
spacer and a bolt.
They'd have to do a bolt, yeah. But then they'd be updated with the umbrella.
Do you want to 3D print one quick before we actually fire it to the machine shop?
Yeah,
with
so
just the washer and put it together?
Yeah, so give me a minute here. I'll chop this off, get rid of the hex, and then just do a through hole so we can slide onto a bolt and see what it does. Probably gonna get really angry though. Bam. What's your thoughts?
It's pretty clean. I like it. What do you think?
I think that should work.
That's a sweet conversion too. I mean, that's what really wears out the comm bearing in there, is the dirt gets in there and it turns into a mess, and you're always in there trying to clean that out of there. And massive improvement across the board. So I like it. Let's print one and then we'll fire it to the machine shop if we like the 3D printed part.
Fire it to the Dewey.
Hey, look what Dewey gave me.
That should work. Not bad. Do you think it's clearance almost too much?
Well, I'd rather be safe than hit the J-bar, you know what I mean? The question is if the diameter is big enough to make a difference. But, I mean, I feel like we're just trying to...
Looks a little closer now.
I feel like we're just trying to get the big stuff away. I mean,
Yeah.
obviously the dust is going to get past there, but
Yeah, you're not
we
gonna
want to eliminate hard packing inside of there, and I think the shield should do that.
And then actually by having that clearance a little more, well, leaving that clearance, make it easier to be able to get some lube and spray lube inside there too, to be able to do like weekly maintenance, not have it so closed off that you can't maintenance it still.
Right on. Well, I think we're good. I think we probably should fire it to the machine shop and tell them to roll, huh?
Turn steel. Sweet.
Alright, let's do it. You finalize the print and we'll get it to Dewey and I'll make a PO and get him in line.
All right, make a print.
Sweet.
New part checklist for the new umbrella.
Umbrella.
What do you think for a part number?
Brandon Davis's idea. So, do we have a 50 number open?
Well, WM50 would be the engine lift handles. Davis's number technically is 50 to the third, so you could do WM503.
WM503. 50 to the third?
50 to the third.
I don't know, there you go. Is that where we're rolling?
I think we're gonna roll WM503.
Add item.
I named it Pinion Mount Dirt Umbrella.
Cone spacer,
Cone
tapered
spacer.
spacer.
Yeah.
We'll just call it a J-bar spacer. Actually, it's pinion mount, right? Or
Yeah, pinion.
pinion mount bolt spacer. Yes. Prototype. 3D prints done. I'll put her in the schedule.
Perfect. Thank you.
Good work. Sounds like we got a spacer done for the J-bar, so I'm gonna run and check it out.
Okay.
And that's kind of cool for the creek.
3 days.
3 days of testing. Sweet. Get around manufacturing.
Yeah.
Bar bolt. These are the first pieces. We're just coming out of the machine here, making a couple tweaks, then we'll be able to take it tomorrow to Deer Creek, put it on some cars and test it, and make sure it's good to go before we release it to the whole world. get them rocking, and then we'll take them to the creek tomorrow.
Sounds good.
We're at Deer Creek Speedway, going to be testing out the new WM 503. Back in from Hot Labs, testing out the new 503. I think we're good to go with it.
What are you thinking then? Are we good to go after last night, or?
Yeah, no, the test was successful. Looked like it kept the bulk of the dirt out of it, and I think it accomplished exactly what we were aiming for.
No changes. Machine shop run, ready to rock. Get a bunch of them built. Send them to the plater.
Turn them black.
Turn black. Change all the bolt kits. Change all the pinion mount kits. Try to get that all ready to go for the launch when we transition.
Send it worldwide.
Okay, yeah, we got a lot of work to do then. Alright, well, we'll get them rolling to the plater after they get them made and rock on.
Sounds great.
Them 503s are coming back tomorrow from the plater, so make sure you're ready to rock with the laser when Josh gets back so we can get them. They gotta all be packaged and ready to rock before we release them.
Sounds good.
Are back, time to laser them. Thanks for watching the Inside the Brand. This was an inspiration from Brandon Davis, WM503, new pinion mount spacer, incorporated into every pinion mount, every bolt kit from here on out leaving. It'll keep the dirt out of the comm bearing and extend the life of the J-bars. So, you know, not earth-shattering, but definitely an addition to the product line to make it better moving forward. Thanks for the inspiration, Brandon. As always, you people are the inspiration. You keep the brand going by inspiring new products to make things better and by buying the product, and that's what employs the 39 employees of Wehrs Machine and Racing Products and allows us to make products in America
for you racers. So we appreciate it. Thanks for watching the Inside the Brand, and watch for the next one.